Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe RST in Summit White. With LED headlamps, electronic stability control, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, rear bumper parking sensors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, rear DVD entertainment center, third row seating, power liftgate, 5.3-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8315A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.